Now, Kenyan businesses should explore opportunities in the Democratic Republic of Congo, which is Kenya's sixth largest international trading partner. Kenya's ambassador to DRC, Dr. Masafu, says the DRC has businesses and investment opportunities in infrastructure, hospitality, manufacturing, construction, and farming. I accompanied more than 200 Kenyan business leaders and investors during the just concluded 15-day trade mission to DRC, and tonight I bring you the story of why direct flights between the two countries is important.
The Democratic Republic of Congo's bid to join the East African community is at its last stage, the verification stage. And Kenyan investors seem to be excited about the prospects. What is it about the DRC?
Low-cost carrier Jambo jet started a new route to Goma in the Democratic Republic of Congo in September this year, making it the first airline to have direct flights between Nairobi and the capital of North Kivu province. Business relations between Kenya and the Democratic Republic of Congo have been cordial, with both government officials and private sector players in the two countries forging closer ties. Kenya plans to open a consulate in Goma, which private sector players are keen to capitalize on to grow business between Kenya and the DRC.
Goma is the nearest entrance to Kenya, and the trucks bringing goods from Mombasa come straight, what we call the Northern Corridor, comes through Uganda, then it comes now to Beni, then it comes to Goma. Most of the petroleum goods and then other manufactured goods come through Goma.
And that's where the growth comes in.
Yeah.
One of the things that, as per the bilateral agreement that we have between Kenya and DRC, we were given 4 frequencies a week.
Yes.
We started with 2 as we marketed the route, and as the numbers got to over 40%, we increased to the 3. Very soon you will find us moving to the 4th. But the best product will be a daily flight.
The low-cost carrier is eyeing more routes in Africa, which is expected to become one of the fastest-growing aviation regions in the next 2 decades, with an average annual expansion of nearly 5%.
In every market that we go to,
yes,
we grow the market.
Yes.
You find places like routes that we get into within a year,
yes,
we grow it by 30%.
Yes.
So for us is also, are we in a position to grow this market, yes, by selling our coastal destinations?
Kenyan businesses are exploring opportunities in the DRC market as they target to diversify the export portfolio and volumes after COVID-19 disruption underscored the importance of deeper inter-regional trade.
Mombasa, Eldoret, Mombasa, Kisumu, Mombasa, Lamu, even Mombasa, Goma. That's something that we are looking at. There's also into Tanzania, because you find people, there is no airline operating that. So that becomes our first front in terms of our expansion. Secondly, is to look at partners in Goma.
Other Kenyan companies, among them Equity Bank, KCB, Serena Hotels, Mabati Rolling Mills, are also expanding in the DRC.